Open WebUI is changing the game in artificial intelligence. It's a powerful platform that you can run on your own computer. Imagine having a personal AI assistant available offline anytime. That's Open WebUI in a nutshell. This amazing tool allows you to run large language models. These models power AI chatbots and text generation tools. OpenWebUI also has a built-in engine for retrieval augmented generation. This technology makes your AI even smarter by letting it access and learn from your own files. OpenWebUI supports various large language model runners, including Llama and APIs compatible with OpenAI. This means you have the flexibility to choose the best AI models for your needs. Whether you are a researcher, developer, or just an AI enthusiast, OpenWebUI provides a user-friendly interface to explore the capabilities of AI offline. Getting started with OpenWebUI is easier than you might think. You have two primary installation methods, Docker and manual installation. Docker offers a streamlined approach, simplifying dependency management and ensuring consistency across different machines. For Docker, you can opt for a standard installation, or if you have an NVIDIA GPU, a GPU-accelerated setup for faster performance. OpenWebUI even offers a bundled Docker installation that includes Llama, a powerful large language model, making the process even smoother. If you prefer a more hands-on approach, manual installation is also an option. The recommended method utilizes the UV Runtime Manager, which simplifies the process and ensures a smooth experience. OpenWebUI comes packed with features designed to make your AI experience seamless and efficient. One crucial aspect is the requirement for WebSocket connections. This technology enables real-time communication between your web browser and the OpenWebUI server, ensuring a smooth and responsive user experience. When it comes to Docker installations, keeping your OpenWebUI instance up to date is a breeze. Tools like Watchtower can automate the update process. This ensures you always have the latest features and security patches without lifting a finger. OpenWebUI is leading the charge in making AI accessible to everyone. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with its powerful capabilities, makes it an ideal platform for both beginners and experienced AI practitioners. The platform's extensibility through plugins and customizability ensures it can adapt to various use cases and research areas. As AI continues to advance, OpenWebUI is well positioned to remain at the forefront of offline AI solutions. Its commitment to open-source development and community involvement ensures a vibrant ecosystem for innovation and collaboration. With OpenWebUI, the power of AI is truly at your fingertips.